Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. In this video, I would like to introduce myself through my LinkedIn profile, but as the time goes by, I will add some informations about myself. On the first page, as you can see, there's my profile page and also my name. My name is Hening Kurnia Putri. I was born in Toli-Toli, October 6, 2001, and my age now is 24. I am from Toli-Toli Central Celebes. And currently, I studied in State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. And my major is Meteorology. My class is Meteorology 2B. This is my first year. The second page is about myself. I am a meteorology student from State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics since 2024. I have skills on problem solving, leadership, teamwork, and also I have a good communication skill. In addition, I am always eager to learn something new, so I will be able to implement it in the future. The third page is experience, but I will go with education first, so I can explain to you about my experiences. Before I studied in State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics, I was studied in Islamic Indonesian University for 4 years, since September 2018 to November 2022, and my major was chemical engineering, and I was graduated. My grade is 3.22. Next page is experience. I have 3 experiences. The first one is my internship. It was in Pertamina, and my position was utility assistant for 2 months. I remember that I did this internship through online because there was a pandemic, a big pandemic. It was COVID-19. My second experience is laboratory assistant in chemical engineering operation laboratory, Islamic Indonesian University, for since September 2021 to April 2022. It's about 8 months. And then my last experience is technical support specialist in PT Lighter Indonesia. It was full-time, but sadly, I only work at there only for 3 months before I get into STMKG. Next page is skills. I have problem solving, analytical skills, organization skills, Visio. I can run Visio too because this is a part of my final task. I use Visio to design the factory for my final task. I was using Microsoft Excel to calculate my design, Microsoft Word, of course, communication, and also video editing, but not that often to do video editing though. The last page on my LinkedIn profile is organizations. I only have one organization, but in STMKG I have a lot of organizations, but I didn't write it on my LinkedIn profile. My organization was Student Executive Board of Islamic Indonesian University, and I was a part of Scientific and Research Division, and I was a staff. It was from September 2019 to September 2020, only a year. My experience as a part of Scientific and Research Division was became the Chief Executive of Katulistiwa 2020 as a part of the work programs. I think that's all of my introduction through my LinkedIn profile. I do apologize if I can't explain it well through this video, but I hope you can understand about who am I through my LinkedIn profile. I think that's all. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, sir. I'm going to make a video as project 1 English assignment. I'll start by introducing myself with my name. My name is Indra Kurniawan Cahyadi. You can call me Indra. I'm from Meteorology Class 2B. Since children, I grew up in Madura Island, precisely in Pamekasan District, Padamangosub District, Derbok Village. I start my education from elementary school Durbukuan from 2012 until 2018, and then I continued my education at Junior High School 1 Pamekasan from 2018 until 2021. In this Junior High School 1 Pamekasan, I have joined a math club to because my passion in mathematics, and then I continued my education to High School 1 Pamekasan. In this high school, I have joined 2-year accelerate program. So I finished my high school at 2023. And then at college level, I tried to study outside Pamekasan, and I was accepted at University of Tanjaya Madura because I was not satisfied with my achievement. 1 year later, I tried to study outside of Madura Island. My parents advised me to choose a service-bound school, and then I chose STMKG to be my destination because it fits with my passion. That's coding, math, and learning about technology for the environment. Maybe that's all I can tell you about myself. Even if it's a little, I hope you can get to know me more closely with this video. Thank you for listening and watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Morning, afternoon, and evening, whenever you see this video. So today I would like to tell you guys about my profile. Here you can see my name. I'm Farhan Setiawan or Muhammad Farhan Setiawan. Usually people call me Farhan. Here you can see my photo profile. I'm a student at State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. Without further ado, let's tell about me. Yes, my name is Farhan Setiawan. Commonly people call me Farhan. I'm the fourth children from my family and the last children in my family. My hobbies are sports and photography. But my experience being a class leader in Seman Modal Bangsa Provinsi Aceh, being a class leader helped me to improve my communication skills, my leadership skills. Also a team leader in one of student organization field that works in photography field. But my education, I've ever been in SD Negeri Cot Meraja, Aceh Besar. I've ever been in SMP Negeri 19 Percontohan Banda Aceh. I've ever been in Seman Modal Bangsa, Banda Aceh. SMP Negeri 19 Percontohan Banda Aceh and Seman Modal Bangsa, Banda Aceh is most favorite school in Aceh. But my skills, firstly, leadership skills that I have experience in Seman Modal Bangsa about communication skills. I have experience in Seman Modal Bangsa too. So that's all about me. I think that's enough. Maybe I hope you enjoy and get to know me well. So that's all. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, sir. Please allow me to introduce myself. My full name, Muhammad Gibran. I'm now in the second semester of Part B of the Meteorology program. Please allow me on this occasion. I will describe my personal data starting from the identity of education history and so on. First of all, my related identity, my full name is Muhammad Gibran. My origin, Palangkaraya, Central Kalimantan, Indonesia. My hobbies, sports. My excellence, able to work optimally. Disadvantage, difficult to get along. Motto, opponents of boundaries. Then for educational history. I went first to elementary school admin 1 Lamandau, starting from June 2012 to 2017, which I had attended 1 year earlier at SD Negeri 9 Menteng. For junior high school, I went to MTSN 1 Lamandau, which is an Islamic-based school. Here, I often participate in Olympic competition and so on. Then, I went for high school. I went to SMA Anur Bululawang, which is also Islamic-based because it is in the scope of the boarding school, which is in addition to focusing on general science, I also studied religious science. I have also participated in various organizations and competitions such as Pancaksilat, Olympics, and so on. And now is where I focus on studying meteorology at the high school State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. Then, in the context of my experience, I have served the boarding school as the public relations section of the Santri Executive Board, with the task of coordinating with certain parties in division public relations section. Besides that, I also have various organizational experience. For example, in the field of sport, namely martial arts, presidiri. Besides that, I have joined the Scout and the marching band with various organizations and experience that form skill in me, such as public health, leadership, public speaking, editing, and writing, and many other things. And then, in the honor and awards, I have also received awards such as the following. In third place, Pencaksilat class C, men. And then first place in intra-school physics Olympiad. And then first place in integrated science Olympiad. And the last, third place winner of district math Olympiad. Excuse me, sir. That's what I can say regarding my personal introduction. Please apologies if there are errors and shortcomings. Thanks you very much, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rehan Frizi. I am a second semester student at State College Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. Before I graduated at State College Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics, I was a student at at Hasanuddin University for 2 semesters. Then after that, I moved to State College Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. This is this is my LinkedIn. So this is my my level of education that I have taken. My elementary high school and junior high school was in Kendari. Then I moved to Surakarta for my high school because when I was in junior high school, I took an invitation scholarship that is from IBBS High School. So I took that and moved to Surakarta. When when I was in Surakarta, when I was in IBBS, I joined the Rohis organization and I worked in multimedia division for 1 year. After I graduated from my high school, I took I took the stand test and the the Hasanuddin University test. Unfortunately, I failed at my stand test at the third test before the interview test. After that, I continue my education for a year in University Hasanuddin. After a year, I tried to register at State College of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. I know the STMKG is from my dad because he was work in there in BMKG Kendari. Uh, the reason I choose STMKG is because I like science and also I want to is my parent. I want to help my parent. Maybe that's enough for me. Thank you very much, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.